It's Tuesday, by far the most intense day, both for the technicians and for me. And not a lot of morning prep. There are a few learning opportunities that are planted throughout the training center. In fact, we have 8 trainers and they all look the same, but they're not all actually the same. Some of them are really obvious. This back station here has a safety set up on it, and this back station here has a motor starter set up on it. But there are also some other unique differences in these trainers that we'll use to talk about troubleshooting problems. And it's a fun day. Let's see how it goes. Well, it's lunchtime. Amber, what you been up to?
I've been talking to our son all morning.
Again, very productive. Wendell, have you done anything today?
Only one thing, failing wires.
Oh, there you go. We have production going on. And it is a good group this week, though, because we are 6 minutes ahead of schedule. And on Tuesday, every minute counts. Good class week, strong group, and we tried a new exercise. It worked well. Wendell and I are going to head home. I have my trusty driver with me. Amber has to stay and work. So, yeah, put in the comments how her boss needs to make it up to her.